Welcome to a brand new vlog of our Azerbaijan diaries, and as you read from the title, today we are going to go to city of Baku, both the old and the new. But before that, a recap of what we have done for the past 4 days. We went to some beautiful mosques, we roamed around in some forest areas, we visited some mountains and got a good scenic view from the cable car. We also visited the petroglyphs, which are the rock paintings or the rock carvings, which were really beautiful and a UNESCO heritage site. We went to the mud volcanoes in a Lada car in the traditional style. It was amazing. And also we saw some desert landscapes. Who thought coming from Kuwait I would get to see desert again? But yes, Baku has some desert experience as well. And then in the night we chilled in the Nizami street and got a good glimpse of the nightlife that is there. This is our tour guide, Mr. Noor, who guided us throughout our tour, and his contact details will be mentioned in the description. You can contact him. Today is day 4 and today we are going for a walking tour.
So today we are burning out all our calories, energy, whatever we have eaten for this while, it's all gonna go today.
But then where are we going beyond?
I think our guide is taking us to one of the
Old city.
I think starting with Old City, then we'll end up with Flame Tower and then some garden which has a very good city view. So let's see
What's in store. Baku is a beautiful city for traveling, for walking, because the streets here are the pavements are good, friendly, traveler friendly. Walk on the pedestrian crossing, or you have to wait till the traffic light is on. But it's a beautiful city for walking. And yes, let's see what's in.
I see miserable people doing things they hate just to fit in. I know it's easier to get along peacefully, but have you ever thought about you? Don't know why I keep on doing what I'm told to do, when the rules are made up by someone we never knew. Baby, wipe your tears and hear me out. We don't need someone to feel alright. Let's do the streets on Monday. Let's call your exes and tell them they can join us too. Why always worry about money when you can get rich by trying to see the outside?
As you can see, every street is beautiful. There are picture perfect spots at every nook and corner here. The streets are lined with pubs and restaurants. They're covered with trees that provide shade in this hot summer months. And though it was very hot, we didn't feel a thing because we were happy roaming around as well as going under the shade of the trees, right? Now, another interesting fact about this part of the city, or I think the whole of city, is they have these interesting post boxes. As you can see, these post boxes are decorated in a different style.
Oh, quit the job you hate and love the ones you love. When what I'm told to do.
Now our guide is showing us some beautiful architecture of the ancient of the times. There are three types of architecture: imperial, there is Soviet style, and there's modern style. So it was interesting to see a mix of all this architecture. So if there is a Soviet style building, and the second floor, the top floor, is a modern style. So it's a mixture of both of them, but everything blends so beautifully. So you can get a feel of the European style of architecture as well as the Soviet style of architecture. It's just amazing actually. It's nice. You have to do a city tour. a mall, and I think it's a restaurant. Looks like a mall to me, but I spotted something interesting. It's a handicraft craft and a gift shop. So I immediately went inside to check it out, and it looks so cute. If you're happening to pass by the new city, old city, you have to stop by this and maybe pick up a souvenir or some gift for your loved ones who couldn't make it for the trip. So this is Nika Card and Gifts, and they have amazing collection of papers. In fact, they don't sell this out, it's just to wrap the gifts or stuff like that, but it's just beautiful. It's vintage style stuff you get there, plus all their handicrafts are really beautiful, very neat, very creative, and it has they have a lot of Azerbaijani artwork or those patterns. So I picked up a brooch for me, my sister, mom, and yeah, I really loved them. Look at the greeting cards, they are really unique, they're really pretty, and the best part is they have their team sitting right behind and working on it, so I could get a glimpse of their artwork as well. It's a very nice and peaceful shop, and I loved going here. Prices are reasonable, and yes, that's my shopping. So excited, and we continue our journey. Our walking tour continues. It's been about an hour, 1.5 hours. So Dion, you're enjoying the walking tour? Just stop
Trying
quick.
some local stuff, and we just had some local soft drink. Initially it was quite bitter, but now I started enjoying it. Now we are waiting next for the tea.
I tried this juice. The fruit juices are really good here, and you have to try all of them. And now we are entering the old town. So the building that you see in front is the Azerbaijani Museum of Literature, which is very close to the old town wall. And as you can see, Noor is showing us the pictures of how the wall looked way in the past days, in the olden times. And yeah, that's a specialty. His guide is very interactive because he has good pictures of the old photographs as well as now, so we can have an idea of how it looked in the past. For all the historians out there, you would really love Noor's guidance. His contact details will be shared in the description box. You can check it out and call him if you want to visit Azerbaijan. That's it, guys. So our vlog ends here, but in the next vlog we'll see what happens inside the old city, what all things are there to be watched, and it's very interesting. So make sure you like, share and subscribe to this channel and turn on notification so you'll be notified when I upload the next video. Take care. Bye bye.